Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying backups and ensuring power. This avoids mid-process failures. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and sign into the same Google account used for backup so the system can locate files. If you have a local backup, plug in the USB or insert the SD card now to give Android immediate access. Make sure device storage has enough free space. Otherwise, the restore will pause or fail. Then open Settings and navigate directly to Backup and Restore to start. You will now choose the specific backup to apply and why. Pick the most recent full backup to recover settings and apps. Once selected, tap Restore and selectively enable items you need first, contacts and messages before large games, to speed initial access. Android downloads app packages then reinstalls. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. If prompted to restore system settings, accept to preserve layouts and passwords. Otherwise, you lose convenience and must reconfigure manually. You finish by verifying key items, open contacts, photos, and a few apps to confirm their data. Once satisfied, re-enable your PIN or biometric locks if they were temporarily relaxed. This secures your device. Update Google Play and apps to resolve compatibility issues. If a restore stalls, try the one-key troubleshooting move. Reboot the phone, reconnect to the same Google account and Wi-Fi, and ensure at least 10% free storage. Then resume. If problems persist, retry with a different backup or local copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.